Alright, y'all. So you know, I had to do it one more time. So we got 3 more inexpensive cases for the iPhone 11. And y'all know I bought them all 3 together. But we're going to unbox them separately and give our first impressions separately. So without further ado, let's do this. We're going to go from inexpensive to most expensive. So let's go. Roll the intro. I'll be right back. See y'all in a little bit. Alright everyone, so now we are back in, and the first case that we're taking a look at in the follow-up series to the most inexpensive cases for the iPhone 11, we got it right here. This first case is the MaiJin full protective case for the iPhone 11. And y'all know I had to get me a case like this, and y'all are gonna see why in a minute, because this bad boy has that full carbon fiber with that grippy textured back. But first off, let's talk about the packaging. Then we're gonna unbox it, give our first impressions, throw it on the device, see how it looks. But talking about the packaging, really nice, really clean, very straightforward packaging. So it tells you 360-degree protection, and we got a nice clamshell solid fit. Flipping it over here, pretty basic, pretty straightforward right here. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's pop it open. Okay. Sliding it out. There it is. Rest this off to the side. And yeah, y'all know I had to get me something like this. Taking the foam out the inside, throw that off to the side. Nice brush finish on the back. Full carbon fiber at the top and the bottom. Okay. Nice diamond pattern on the inside. Looks like we got all of our appropriate cutouts. So speakers, microphone, charging port, camera bump, okay, power button, volume rockers, a nice cutout for our mute slider, okay, and we might just have a nice protective lip, but oh yeah, so let's slap this on the device and let's get into the first impressions. Okay, so it just slots in like so, and it clicks into place. Just like that. And it's on our device. Boom. Alright. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. And now, honestly, looking at it, it does fit on here very nicely. Okay, and I love that look. That nice brush finish. The brush finish with the faux carbon fiber. I love that look. And we got all of our necessary protection and cutouts. Let me see how easy this is to reach. Oh yeah, still nice and reachable right there. Oh yeah, let's check the lip protection. Decent amount of lip protection. I like that. That's what I like to see. All the appropriate cutouts. Full protection. Nice camera bump. Check the feel in hand. Good stuff here. Good stuff indeed. Nice and grippy around the sides. Yeah, nice solid grip when you shake it. I like that. Alright, let me check the clickiness for the buttons. Still super clicky. Still super responsive. I like that. First impressions of the MaiJin case for the iPhone 11. This one seems like a solid win right here. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright, that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. Now, as always, I'm going to use this case for about a week, and then I'm going to come back and share my opinions on it and let y'all know if it's worth picking up. As always, if you don't want to wait till then, all the links to where y'all can pick this up along with where you can pick up the iPhone 11 at some really great prices, will be linked up down below in the video description, and that those will be affiliated links, meaning that when you use those, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals, so that's a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Also down below in the video description will be all of my extended coverage and recommended accessories for the iPhone 11 itself. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please make sure you click off the notification bell right next to it, so you're guaranteed to get notified when I publish new videos. And also feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up all of my social media down below in the video description as well. That being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. This video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This was recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So really good stuff here. I hope the video looks good. I hope the audio sounds good. Hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.